The HawkWare folder creator application is a very simple way to create a bulk amount of folders inside an Enterprise PDM vault with very minimal effort. All you have to do is log into the vault, choose where you want the folders to be created, and then determine how you want to create the folders. And you have two options there. The first is that you could create folders from a pattern. So in this instance, if I type project dash and set the number to 3, this will create 3 folders for me: project dash 1, project dash 2, and project dash 3, following the pattern that I've set out. If you want to create a large amount of folders that don't have a pattern, we have that option as well. You simply come in here and you type the list of folders that you want created, hit the go button, and those folders will be created automatically for you, reducing the need to go in and right-click new every time you want to create a new folder.